Here we have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz CLA180 AMG Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get four 18-inch AMG alloy wheels, all in excellent condition as you can see just there. The vehicle itself is finished in a Cirrus white exterior paintwork which looks absolutely fantastic. We've got the panoramic sunroof on top just there, again it looks superb. Second 18-inch alloy wheel, black wing mirror, colour-coded door handles. We've got the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Let's take a quick look at that interior whilst we're working our way around. Taking a step back, there's another look at that sunroof. We've then got our third alloy wheel. We've also got both front and rear parking sensors with visual displays inside. Dual exit exhaust as well, one on either side just there. Now as we come to this corner, you'll notice that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if we go on to the interior next, we'll start at the front here. We've got the half leather interior, and how fantastic do these seats look. Now we've got the red stitching included as well, which really does make it pop off. We've then got the sunroof. On the doors here, we've got our integrated speakers, electric power folding wing mirrors with electric window controls and child lock for the rear, lock and unlock buttons with the brushed metal handle and the boot release down there as well. Now stepping inside, you've got your auto lights on the right, just there. We'll actually start the vehicle up, foot on the clutch, and there we go. As you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now if I actually just turn the vehicle off, you'll see that the car has covered just over 76,200 miles, and like I said before, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Taking a step back, we've got our multifunctional steering wheel with different controls for whilst we're on the go. On the left here, we've got our speed limiter and cruise control stalk as well. Coming into the middle, you've got your infotainment screen. So on here, you'll find things like your radio. We've then got different forms of media connectivity like Bluetooth audio, auxiliary, CD and USB storage. We've also got telephone connectivity, so we can make calls and listen to music from our phone. Now in terms of the parking sensors, you can see just there we've got the bar with the two lights, and we've also got the same for the rear, which we can see in our mirror just there. So those are a visual display of your sensors, and of course will beep as well. Now coming down, we've then got our shortcuts here for the infotainment screen. We've got heated seats for both front passengers. We've also got the eco mode there should you wish to get the best miles per gallon possible. Moving down, we've got our dual zone climate control, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently with ice cold air conditioning. Just below there, we've got 12-volt connectivity and additional storage space. Some more of the red stitching as well with the 6-speed manual gear stick just there. We've then got two good-sized cup holders, control wheel and more shortcuts for the infotainment screen. We've also got our soft touch leather armrest, which does also double up as storage. Then last but not least, we have got the sunroof just there. And again, how fantastic does that look? We can close that like so. And as you can see and hear, that all works exactly as you would expect. The blind will now retract, making it even bigger, and then we can close the blind as well, just as easily. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz CLA180. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Now starting off, we have got cruise control just down here on the stalk there. To activate this, we can simply push up and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust the speed as well, and then to deactivate we can simply push away or apply pressure to the brakes. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 4th gear, change up to 5th, back down to 4th, into 3rd, and then we are slowly approaching some traffic now. So I can go into 2nd, there we go, and as you could tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. And we do of course have a convenient display in the middle just there, telling us which gear to be in as well. So if you want to get maximum fuel efficiency, you can follow what it says on the display in the center just there. Now there's plenty of great features included with this vehicle. Of course, we've got the heated seats for both front passengers. We've also got plenty of great features on the infotainment screen as well. Things like Bluetooth phone connectivity, we've got our radio as well. Now the comfort levels in here are also superb. Of course, we've got the half leather interior, which is incredibly comfortable. You could happily do those long distance journeys in this vehicle, especially with the fantastic sunroof just there as well to keep the kids entertained, etc. Great feature to have. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. So we are a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now shortly I'll be taking a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate that reverse works as it should. After that I'll then go over a speed bump, so you'll have an opportunity to listen out for any knocks or any bangs from the suspension. So I'm turning in just now. There we go. Emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse. No problems at all. And of course you've got the visual display of both front and rear parking sensors just there as well. And now we are about to go for a speed bump, so listen out for any sounds. There we go, completely free from any knocks or any bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, the video walk around or this video test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Cheers.